Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning everyone, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on which country you are in. So in today's video, I'm going to be roasting these peanuts. I got them like this. Apparently they're supposed to be roasted, but they just taste weird. I don't know why. So I'm going to roast them again, add some salt and chili. I just want them to be like a little bit tastier. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So the first thing you want to do is add water into your bowl, not too much, just a little bit. And you're going to add salt. You don't have to measure because it's not like all of it. You're not going to use all of this. You just put a little bit, 2 tablespoons can do. Yep, and then mix. Give it a good mix. Yeah, this is great. Now we can start roasting our peanuts and adding this step by step. Right, into a hot pan now we are going to add our peanuts and just put them at the same time. So you just wait a bit for them like to change the color, like roast for like 5 minutes and start adding water, the salty water that we just made. Okay, so now it's been roasting for like 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Don't let it burn. Yeah, and at this point you can just start adding like our salty water. I'll use a spoon. Voila. The more you add, the more they keep changing the color and the taste here. So at the last step, I'll just add the chili and be ready. I wish you guys can taste though. I have a good feeling that it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna taste good. Yeah, I'm gonna put one more so that it can dry at once. Not one more spoon, one more round. I know some of you guys will be counting the spoons. She said she's going to put one more. Why is she putting 5 spoons? Voila. Yeah, this should be enough actually. I just let it dry. So before our salty water dries, like you can see it's drying, right? We can just I'll add the cayenne pepper now so that it all dries together. And it's smelling good already. Yeah, wow, this is great. I like that. That's sneezing. Yeah, it's very good. I want to taste it now, but let's wait for it to get ready first. See? Okay, so now this is how it comes dry. I just have to wait for it to dry. And I'm coughing, guys, because of the pepper. Sorry. But this is almost ready. And you can see how it changed the color. It's looking great. Now we're just waiting for it to dry. Oh my god. Man, this is real. I think I need to wear a mask or something. Okay, so here we go. I'll just show you guys after when it's ready. Okay, so our peanuts are ready. Crunchy, they're cheesy, it's spicy, it's very nice. Like They taste amazing, guys. I wish you guys can taste it. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, now they're ready. You can see how the color changed. And it looks great. Oh guys, I wish you guys can taste it. Actually, it's amazing. Okay, so this is how it looks like, guys. Our spinach are ready. They are spicy and it's really nice. Like you can see the smell is great. It's a good snack. Yeah. And my voice is gone now because so ku bantu bamaze iminsi bambwira ngo ngire imvuga mu kinyarwanda, iyi video twari turimo turakora ni ubunyobwa nari nabuguze hano. Hey guys, mumbabarire ndimo ndakorera kuri urusenda. Ubunyobwa nari nabuguze hano bukaranze ariko nyine bumeze nabi kuko ibintu byanga ntabwo bimeze neza mu Rwanda. Mu Rwanda ibintu byose biba biryoshye, ubunyobwa bumeze neza, ariko hano biba bifite test yindi nyine utamenya uko imeze. Niyo mpamvu nyine ngiye kubukaranga nawufashe mbushyira ku ipanu ishyushye, ndongera ndakaranga nshyizemo amazi arimo umunyu, kwa kundi nyine tujya dukaranga ubunyobwa. Ego munyihangane ndimo ndakorera kuri urusenda. So maze gukaranga nongeramo nkajya nshyiramo amazi nyine etape kuri etape bigenda wumutsa ubundi ugashyiramo urusenda nyine nyuma. Ni ubwoko byarangiye bimeze gutya ngayo nguko. Murakoze, ino video reka tuyisoreze aha ngaha, njye gukorora no kwitsamura. Ubwo naho ubutaha mukore subscribe, mulayikinge, mukore share kandi mushyireho commentaire. Guys, leave a comment, let me know how you guys roast your peanuts. See if it's not like this. Yeah, see you, bye, thank you.